If you work in Lucidchart and want a cleaner, more organized diagram, layers are one of the most useful features you can learn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Lucidchart layers step by step, including how to open the layers menu, create a new layer, add content to it, and then manage your layers by hiding, reordering, and locking them. This is a simple workflow that can save you a ton of time, especially on larger diagrams with lots of shapes, labels, and connected elements. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Lucidchart. Once your diagram is loaded, look toward the bottom left corner of the canvas and find the layers icon. It usually looks like a small stack of papers. When you click that icon, the layers panel will open. This panel is where you'll control everything related to your document layers. At the bottom of the list, you'll see the page layer, which is your base layer. Think of this as the foundation of your diagram. Now that the panel is open, the next step is to create a new layer. To do that, click the plus layer button or the add layer icon, depending on what version of the interface you're using. A new layer will appear in the list, and from here you can rename it if needed. To start working on that layer, double-click the layer name so you enter editing mode. This is important because anything you add while that layer is active will belong to that layer. So if you place shapes, text, arrows, or images on the canvas, Lucidchart will automatically assign them to the selected layer. This makes it much easier to separate different parts of your diagram, like keeping notes on one layer, main content on another, or planning variations on separate layers. If you want to return to the base canvas, simply click the page layer at the bottom of the layers panel. That switches you back to the main layer so you can continue working normally. Now let's talk about managing your layers, because this is where Lucidchart layers really become powerful. In the layers panel, you'll usually see a few controls next to each layer. One of the most useful is the eye icon. Clicking the eye icon will hide that layer's contents from view. If you click it again, the layer becomes visible again. This is great when you want to reduce clutter and focus only on the parts of the diagram you need right now. Another helpful control is the ability to reorder layers. You can click and drag a layer up or down in the stack. This changes which elements appear in front and which ones appear behind others. If your diagram has overlapping content, this can make a big difference in how clear and professional it looks. The last major control is the padlock icon. When you click the lock, it prevents accidental edits to that layer. This is especially useful for finished sections of a diagram that you don't want to move or change by mistake. If you need to edit it again later, just unlock it first. So, to recap, opening the layers menu gives you access to the full layer stack. Creating a layer helps you organize different content, and the hide, reorder, and lock tools help you control exactly how your diagram behaves. Once you get used to this workflow, you'll find that Lucidchart becomes much easier to manage, especially for complex projects. If this video helped you understand how to use Lucidchart layers, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.